Have you ever wondered why Subway, the sandwich shop, isn't actually on the subway? But before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. So here's the thing, Subway has nothing to do with trains at all. The name actually comes from the word submarine sandwich, or sub for short. Because of its long, torpedo-shaped bread, the founders just thought that Subway was a catchy name. And sure, some locations are inside subway stations, but the brand itself? 100% about sandwiches, 0% about trains. So next time you grab a footlong, remember it's Subway the sandwich shop, not Subway the train.